Hello, this is Brent with Johnson Fabrication and Controls demonstrating the PLC touch controller. Here we have our inputs 1 through 4 on these nice flange connectors. We have outputs 1 through 4. We have illuminated output indicators. We have our programming buttons 1 through 4, which are green, audio programming, and our red programming. We have our internal PLC programming port and acts as an external RS-232 port for DMX. We have our audio connector, which is 3.5 millimeter. We have 24 volts out for field equipment such as switches, mats, sensors, any type of device that will be used for an input. And on the back we have a removable IEC cord and a USB port 3.0 for uploading audio files, either ambient or triggered audio. Real quick, we can get into some programming features real quick. Enabling ambient audio, disabling ambient audio. We go and do a quick recording demonstration. Access recording, choose an input, say that's input number 4. Let's choose a triggered audio track. Let's use this, we'll save it. We'll hit it and then we'll have our illuminated recording LED, which will allow recording in all of our input channels and output channels. So we're going to go ahead and use, say, input 3, for example. Let me go ahead and play that back. Let's access another channel for recording. Say input 1. And our previous recorded data on input 3 is playing back as I'm recording on input 1 for output 1. So very basic. Save that. Let's go ahead and enable ambient audio. So we can have our ambient audio track playing. And we have, I'm going to go ahead and simulate an input device here with this jumper. We said there's already source power available, so once it's triggered, just like that. So that would be your real-world equipment that's wired to these inputs. And here's our outputs. Very simple. And if you want to delete a recorded show, you simply hold for 5 seconds. Disable ambient audio, hold for 5 seconds. And it's all clear. So you can begin again. You can access recording. You can choose, say, input number 4 again, or input number 2. You can choose in between any one of the 4. Let's select another triggered audio track. Let's go with this. Let's save that. Let's go ahead and immediately access recording. There we go. I'm going to go and record on channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. You can do all these channels at the same time, so you're not stuck with doing just one at a time. Go ahead and save that. We're on input number 4. Let's go ahead and play that back. Oh, which input am I on? I'm on input number 2, sorry. We can always go back and change that input too. Say we've recorded a show, I want to change this input. Simply access recording, save to input number 4, resave it. Now input 4 is now going to trigger the show. It's enable ambient audio. You can hear the whole sequence. Turn up the volume a little bit here. And here's the full sequence with ambient, triggered audio, and a return to ambient again. So it's that easy. Thank you again for joining me. Like I said, this is a brand new product. It has an industrial PLC inside, all wired in one nice contained unit, flanged inputs, flanged outputs, DMX out, a recording port, audio, power out, and a USB port in the back, so you can use all your features. And thank you again for joining me. Have a great day. Okay, bye.